satellites and paper origami.
Hello everyone, I'm Bob, and today we're discussing an interesting topic: satellites and paper origami.
Hi, I'm Alice. This topic is quite fascinating. Let's start with the basics. What do you know about satellites, Bob?
Well, satellites are objects in space that orbit around planets. They can be natural, like moons, or man-made for various purposes.
Right. And these man-made satellites have many functions, like communication, weather forecasting, and even space exploration.
Exactly. Now, let's bring in paper origami. It's a traditional Japanese art of paper folding, creating intricate designs.
The connection might not be obvious at first, but paper origami has inspired modern satellite technology. It's all about folding structures into compact forms.
That's an interesting point. Compact folding is crucial for satellites, especially when launching them into space. They need to be small to fit into rockets.
Yes, and once they reach space, they unfold. This is where the origami concept really shines.
So, are you saying that engineers use origami techniques to design satellites?
Precisely. Engineers have been using origami principles to create foldable parts of satellites. It's innovative and space efficient.
That's amazing. Can you give an example of how this works?
Sure. Take solar panels, for instance. They need to be large to collect solar energy, but small enough to fit in a rocket. Using origami folding techniques, they can be compacted and then expanded in space.
Fascinating. So, origami isn't just an art form, it's a practical engineering solution.
Absolutely. And it's not just limited to solar panels. Antennas and other components also use origami-inspired designs.
This must have a significant impact on the cost and efficiency of satellite launches.
Indeed. More compact designs mean cheaper and more efficient launches. It's a game-changer in the satellite industry.
What about the durability of these origami-inspired satellites? Folding and unfolding sound like they could weaken the structure.
That's a valid concern. However, the materials used are highly durable and designed to withstand multiple folds.
Interesting. So, what's the future of this technology? Where do you see it going?
The potential is huge. We're looking at more advanced, compact, and efficient satellite designs. It could revolutionize how we approach space technology.
And what about the implications for other areas? Could this origami technology be used elsewhere?
Definitely. This concept can be applied in many fields, like medical devices, foldable electronics, and even architecture.
It seems like paper origami has a lot to teach us in the modern world.
It does. The principles of simplicity and efficiency in origami are valuable lessons for various technologies.
As an art form, it's already impressive. But as a scientific tool, it's even more remarkable.
True. The blend of art and science here shows how creative thinking can lead to practical solutions.
Absolutely. This discussion has been enlightening. The fusion of traditional art and modern technology is quite extraordinary.
It sure is, Bob. I think it's a perfect example of how looking at old concepts in new ways can lead to innovation.
Well, I think that wraps up our discussion for today. Thanks, Alice, for the insightful conversation on satellites and paper origami.
Thank you, Bob. It was a pleasure discussing this innovative blend of technology and art.